everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica, and today I have my Supernatural Pan Interrupted update for you. This is a panning project that is based on the TV show Supernatural. Sadly, no longer being aired, but there's 15 seasons to play along with. When we started this project, it was with the intent of doing one product per episode of all 15 seasons. As a matter of fact, this show was still going when we started it. It has since ended, which is, it's sad to me. It is. I absolutely love the show. So yeah, we're just doing it a little bit at a time. There's been a bunch of people that have joined in. It initially started with myself and Amanda. Amanda's on hiatus. So, you know, I'm just keeping it going, and people have joined in, people have dropped out, people have joined in, people have dropped out. It's kind of one of those things when you're working on a project that's going to take years and years to get done. You know, it just is what it is. I'm enjoying it. I'm taking it at my own pace. This is a no stress project for me. So I'm having at it. That's all I'm going to do. So, that being said, we're working on 6 products at a time, 6 episodes at a time. As you finish an episode and or product, whether it's to finish, hit pan, set a goal for whatever, then you roll that out and then you go to the very next episode to add that one in. So I actually get to roll something new in this time. I'm just going to go through them in order of the episode, and we'll go from there. All right, first up is my one and only episode left from season 3, which I'm, you know, well into season 4 at this point. What you gonna do? I picked a long-term product. I don't know if I'm gonna keep this in. Let me know what you guys think. I have used it some. This is the Exuviance Age Reversed Hand Peel. I thought I wanted to just get to originally to this line, and then I changed it that I wanted to finish it, and now I don't even know. So I have not been finding the time to use it, and I feel like this is just languishing here in this project. I like to use this in the winter. That is primarily how I've used most of it, is in the winter. We're starting to go into like the warmer months. It's spring, but it's still kind of cold here. We have had a few warm days, and then there's a few cold days, and a few warm days, and a few cold days. I just don't see me using this at all during the late spring, summer, early fall time. And I don't want to talk about this every single month. So let me know what you guys think. Should I just roll it out next update? Or like, especially if I can get to my original goal, which is this bottom line right here, should I just get to that and then roll it out? Or what should I do with it? Because I don't know. I'm kind of getting sick of seeing it. And I know I'll use it in the winter time again, periodically. It's just not one of those things I'm going to use all the time. But let me know what you think, if you want to see it to continue on or not. All right, moving on to season 4, the after school special that is about a bully on a bus. That it's a bully spirit that is on the bus. And I brought in the Bobbi Brown Crushed Oil Infused Lip Gloss in Free Spirit. And I haven't used it because it hasn't made it in my makeup basket. Because I do polls on these things, and this one has not won any polls yet. I might put it in my May makeup basket just because I want to get it worked on. But I don't know. We'll have to wait and see how that goes. Death Takes a Holiday. I have a Bath & Body Works body cream in Vanilla Bean Noel. Of course, it's got the holiday packaging. This was, last update, 247 grams. It's down to 228 grams. So I'm making slow progress on this, but at least I'm making progress on it. I'm working on a lot of body butters and lotion bars and stuff right now. So, you know, some progress is better than no progress. Next one, on the head of a pin, I have the Soapbox Argan Oil Conditioner, and it is upside down because I was right here at last update. Yeah, this pink right here. It's like barely filling like where the cap is now, so that's why it's upside down. It will 100% be done probably by the time this airs, and I'll just roll in something next update, but you know, it's on its last legs. that one's going to be done. It's a Terrible Life. I have the, who is this by? Prime Natural Stress Relief Blend Essential Oil. Really like this one a whole lot. Even my husband likes the smell of it. I was at the blue, now I'm at the pink. Pretty steady progress on this, so I think maybe 2-ish more months, 2 to 3 more months, and that one is going to be done. Whew. All right, I skipped over my empty, or my one that I'm rolling out. That is for sex and violence, and I have the Calvin Klein Obsession perfume. I had it in for 5 uses. I got my 5 uses, and so this is going to go back into my collection, and I need to replace it with the next episode and a new product. The new episode, still in season 4, is the monster at the end of this book. That episode is when Sam and Dean realize that there is a book series that's basically chronicling their lives, and the book comes out before the things actually happen in their lives, and they are pursuing this author and they want to know how he knows about their lives. I'm not going to tell you any more than that because, you know, that's good enough. So anyway, it's you know, it's about the book series. So I brought in a product that actually looks like a book. Even has like the little, you know, like if you have a journal book or whatever, and it can keep your place. I think this just looks like a book to me. And so I am bringing the Bare Minerals Mineralist palette in Sunlit. It has these 6 shades in it. 100% recyclable packaging. I don't know about the pans because I don't know about that, but like the actual, this is all cardboard that can be recycled, which I think is pretty cool. I want to use this 5 times. Yes, I know there's 6 shades in there, but I got so many other eyeshadows, and these are colors that are similar to what I'm already working on. So I figure 5 uses, at least it's being used, and you know, I can play with something different for a little bit, even if it's not that different. So those are my products that I'm working on. I do believe this is going to be done probably before this even airs, but you know, my progress and my updates are usually pretty mellow, so I figure if I can have rollouts in back-to-back updates, that's a good thing. That's a very good thing. And by the time I replace this one next update, then the following update, I'll probably have something like this or this to roll out. We'll see. Potentially, depending on what your vote is, I may roll that one out. We'll have to just wait and see. I feel like this way it's not as stagnant for every update. I hope you guys feel that way too. Anyway, getting back to the topic at hand. This project is going to be going on forever, so if it's something that you're interested in, like if you watch Supernatural, if you like that kind of thing and you want to join in, we would love to have you. Just start at episode 1, bring in the first 6 episodes and a product for each of those episodes, and let me know because I will get you on the list down in my description box. So yeah, check out everyone else that has joined in. They're going to be down there. And I think that is everything. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until I see you on my next video, have a beautiful day.